Good morning, class 9. Children, today we are going to study equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Let us first revise what we have done. We have solved a pair of linear equations by three methods, and the three methods are substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Okay, now let us first understand the topic that we are going to study. Equations reducible to pair of linear equations. That means the equations, once you look at these equations, they will not look like a pair of linear equations. Okay, they will not look like a pair of linear equations, but we can reduce them to a pair of linear equations and solve them. Okay. For example, suppose our equation is 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13 and 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. These two equations are given and you have to find the values of x and y. Can you find the values of x and y? No, not directly. Why? Because first thing, they are not in linear equation. Why? Because the variables are in the denominator. Okay, so we will first reduce them to a pair of linear equations and then we will solve. Same way here, 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2. 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. So can we do it, solve it directly? No. There are some certain, we will first have to reduce it to a pair of linear equations and then we will be solving it. The same way here, 20 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equal to 7. X upon x minus 8 upon x minus y minus 15 upon x plus y, it is x plus y is equal to 5. Now these two equations also, they do not look like a pair of linear equations, but we will reduce them to a pair of linear equations and then solve them. Okay, so the process here is to reduce it. First step is to reduce it to a pair of linear equations. Let us see how do we reduce it to a pair of linear equations. See here, I have taken the third example. 20 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equal to 7. 8 upon x minus y minus 15 upon x plus y is equal to 5. Okay. Now, here we assume that we see that 1 upon x plus y is here also and 1 upon x plus y is here also. Okay. 1 upon x minus y and 1 upon x minus y are in both the places. Okay, so let us assume this 1 upon x plus y be p and 1 upon x minus y be q. So now the equations become this: 20p plus 3q is equal to 7 and 8q minus 15p is equal to 5. 8q minus 15p is equal to 5. Okay. In this equation p is written first, so in this equation also we will write p first. So this will be minus 15p plus 8q is equal to 5. Okay, now we have two linear equations. Now we will solve them for p and q. Let us multiply the first equation by 8 and the second equation by 3. So this becomes 8 2s are 16, 160p plus 8 3s are 24 minus 8 7s are 56. And this becomes, we are multiplying this by 3. So 15 3s are 45 minus 45p. Okay. 8 3s are 24 plus 24q is equal to 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now We see here we have 24q here also and plus 24q here also. So if we subtract these two equations, these two terms will cancel each other. Okay, so we will subtract these two equations, and when we subtract them we change the sign of every term of the equation. So this minus becomes plus, this plus becomes minus, and this plus becomes minus. So plus 24q minus 24q will cancel each other. So this becomes p 0 10 205p is equal to 41. 56 minus 15, 41. Okay, so p is equal to 41 upon 205. 41 5s are 205, so 1 upon 5. Okay, so the value of p is what? 1 upon 5. Now we'll put this value of p in equation 1. Equation 1 is 20p plus 3q is equal to 7. We will put this value of p in equation 1. 20p plus 3q is equal to 7. So this becomes 20 into 1 upon 5 plus 3q is equal to 7. So 3q is equal to 5 4s are 20, ये कट जाएगा. Then 3q will be equal to 7 minus 4, that is 3. Therefore q is equal to 1. Now we see that p is equal to 1 upon 5 and q is equal to 1. We will put the values of p and q now. So this means 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5 and 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, now we will reciprocate both the equations. That means this implies when we reciprocate both the equations, write the reciprocal of this, दोनों को हम reciprocate कर देंगे तो we can write the equations directly. So this becomes x plus y upon 1 is equal to 5 upon 1. Do you see here? This becomes something like this. 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. So this becomes, I have reciprocated it. So this here also it becomes x minus y upon 1 is equal to 1. Do you understand this? Okay, I have not done anything. I have just reciprocated both the sides, upside down, both the sides. Okay, now we'll solve these two equations. See here. So x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Alright, so let us add both of them. So both the y's cancel each other. So we have 2x is equal to 6. Okay, so and x will be equal to 3. Now putting this value of x is equal to 3 in the third equation, that is x plus y is equal to 5. So 3 plus y is equal to 5 and y will be equal to 2. So these are the two values of x and y. So do you understand? We reduce the equation to a pair of linear equations and we solve them. Similarly, in this example, we can assume 1 upon root x is equal to p and 1 upon root y is equal to q. Correct? Here 1 upon x is equal to p and 1 upon y is equal to q. Okay? Do these substitutions, reduce the equations given to a pair of linear equations and solve them. The next exercise is based on this. Okay?